Ready to unleash your inner artist with the power of AI, but stuck choosing between Promeai and Midjourney? Let's dive in. First up, Promeai, its interface is designed for ease of use. Notice the straightforward layout. You'll find style presets, think photorealistic, anime, or abstract right at your fingertips. Resolution settings are clearly displayed, allowing you to control image size, and of course, a prominent prompt box is ready for your creative input. Now, let's explore Midjourney, which lives within Discord. The experience is common-based. You begin with Imagine, followed by your prompt. Customization comes through parameters, adding things like AR32 to set the aspect ratio, or V5 to specify the model version. It requires a bit of learning, but offers granular control. Time for a visual showdown. We gave both tools the same prompt: a futuristic cityscape at sunset on the left. The Promeai result leans towards a stylized, painterly aesthetic on the right. Midjourney delivers a more detailed and atmospheric interpretation. Notice the distinct artistic styles each platform favors. Promeai excels in its style transfer capabilities. You can upload an image and ask Promeai to apply its style to your creation. It also offers prompt weighting, letting you emphasize certain keywords for targeted results. Midjourney truly shines in its advanced parameters. Chaos introduces unpredictable variations. Stylize influences the artistic flair, and you have precise control over aspect ratios, image quality, and much more. These parameters unlock complex and highly personalized outcomes. So, which one is right for you? Promeai boasts user-friendliness and intuitive style choices. Great for beginners, Midjourney offers unmatched customization for those willing to learn its command structure. Consider your artistic goals and technical comfort level. Both are incredible tools. Now, go forth and create. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more AI art insights, and share your incredible AI-generated artwork with the world.